If you're a creative entrepreneur tired of marketing feeling like a second job, this channel will change the way you grow your brand. Ciao y'all, I'm Kira, your Italian US-based content strategist and coach. Welcome to the Museum Creative YouTube channel, the go-to space for creative arts entrepreneurs who want to master AI content marketing for brand success without losing their creative flow. I help artists, designers, museum professionals, makers, and all kinds of creative entrepreneurs who dream of growing their audience, selling more of their work, and showing up online with confidence without burning out on marketing. My mission is to help you simplify marketing so it feels aligned with your artsy work, not like a dreadful second job. Because let's be real, most creatives struggle with visibility. Your amazing work just isn't being seen by the right people, or maybe you tried being consistent, but content creation ends up eating all your time. And of course, there's the big one, overwhelm. Marketing feels confusing, draining, and way too far from what you actually want to focus on in your business. That's where AI plus strategy comes in. With the right systems, tools, and content plan, you can stay consistent without spending hours figuring out what content to post next on your social media. Build a brand that actually reflects your creative voice, your personality, and purpose. Implement AI for your creative business to speed things up while keeping your work authentic and human. This isn't about shortcuts. It's really about working smarter so you can keep creating and grow your business effectively. On this channel, you will find creative entrepreneur marketing tips that actually fit your lifestyle and workflow, step-by-step tutorials on AI marketing strategies for creative brands, and real stories and case studies to inspire you to keep going. Basically, if you've ever wished someone could hand you the marketing playbook for creatives, well, this is it. So if you're ready to ditch marketing overwhelm and finally market your brand with confidence and clarity, hit the subscribe button and join the Museum Creative community. Oh, and don't forget to grab your freebie 5 AI-powered solutions for creatives who dread marketing to say goodbye to marketing fatigue, frustration, and hello to a smart AI-fueled action plan aligned with your goals. I'll link it right below. That's all for now, and I'll see you soon. Ciao!